IT in Adelaide in one word, I'd say exciting. Adelaide is growing as a tech hub, especially in Australia. I mean, with the vision that it has to be the next Silicon Valley of Australia, and you've got lots of tech-focused startups, and just being in an environment where the digital side of things is going to the next level.
I was always curious to know how something was built, especially in a technical side of it. And I was always intrigued and very curious to know how it was. So that sort of drew me to take a career in IT.
With IT, you're learning something new every single day. So you never sit down at some point and say, you know it all.
We hear from industry that graduates from TAFE.sa are highly desirable. They're not just students who have read a book and passed a test. There are students who have actually worked through problems, again, working in teams, and have actually been able to produce tangible outcomes and have hands-on experience.
Here at tafe.sa, we have a strong industry connection. They recommend to us what platforms we should be working with and teaching you. So we're pretty much up to date with the latest kind of technologies that you need to know.
If you're studying at TAFE.sa, it's the national curriculum that's recognised across Australia.
We offer a good base course, particularly starting at Cert 4, where you come in not knowing anything about programming and then progress through to more advanced skills in the diploma. It gives you a really great grounding of skills, particularly if you do then want to continue on to university.
I am an ICT project officer. Studying at tafe.sa, I gained so many skills, but one of the key skills that I could remember and that I'm using at the moment would be teamwork. Another skill is obviously the technical part of it, the different programming languages that I learned, Python, SQL, Java, and so many other languages that I learned that I apply in projects that I'm working on in my current role.
Technology is changing every single day, and TAFE has helped me in realizing that if I'm going to break into the industry, I need to come in there with an open mind, willing to learn, which is something that I felt has really been empowered through me at TAFE.sa, because my lecturers being there and telling me that, okay, you know what, sometimes you may not know it all, and that's okay. That's the whole point of why you're here at TAFE.sa, to improve your IT skills.
With TAFE, one of the main important things is the student-to-teacher relation. You always have that connection with the lecturer and you build a relationship, and it's going to help you throughout your course and your life and your study at TAFE.sa. They're not just going to tell you failed, but they're going to tell you why you failed and how you can improve it.
With international students coming here to Adelaide, we do offer you a lot of support. In particular, I follow you through your path. I teach you right from the beginning, almost to the end of your diploma. So you get to know quite a few of your lecturers well.
I'm one of the support mechanisms. They can contact me and come and see me, and I try to chat with my international students as often as I can. We have lots of support. We have counselling, we have study groups, we have online forums, and they have all sorts of social activities as well. We're excited to have people coming from all around the world to study with us.
One thing I would say is go for it. You will not regret it, because there will be so many job opportunities for you, and there will be so many ideas and so many skills you would gain from doing a course in IT at TAFE.sa.
So all I would simply say is log in and submit your application. Looking forward to seeing you soon.